Right, so we're using the hammer strength low row to isolate and get our lats. This is a very good machine, very stable and easy to get the lat. We're going to do it, however, we're going to shift our bum over to the direction of our lat. So this machine diverges out, it goes away from us. And to get our lat, we don't want to be coming away, we want to land right next to and in line with our torso, which is why we want to shift over and get in line with that. And the main cues to get a lat is to drag the elbow down and towards the floor. We don't want to do a classic row, extend out and get our upper back. We want to do that sort of stuff on upper back rows, not for our lat. So if you catch yourself coming out, just cue yourself to tuck the elbow and then drag it down to the floor. Once you get in line with your body, that's as far as you need to go. Any further, and we're not getting our lat anymore. You're gonna drag it right next to your body.